Neubert has only one career win against the Rangers, and there's a shot that is deflected in, a toss from the point, and it's 1-0. It is Kevin Hayes putting his team out in front.
Pretty simple play by the Rangers. I think it was Sproul on the back end that gets this puck through, and Kevin Hayes, who started the play dock in his own zone, is the guy that goes to the front of the net front presence. We talked to assistant coach Scott Arneal, the New York Rangers, before puck drop, and he talked about getting inside the dots, getting to the blue line, and there's a shot from Sproul.
Good possession by the Flyers. On back now for McDonald, who slipped one, score! McDonald has threaded it on through, and it is 1-1.
Now this is an excellent play by Jori Lehtera at the blue line. Lehtera will end up making a play right there on JT Miller, so Miller can't clear it. He keeps it alive, and the Flyers turn that excellent defensive play into this goal on the little redirection.
Back to the point by Buchnevich, and a shot right on goal, save, rebound, score! It is Rick Nash, and it is 2-1 Rangers.
Shot gets through the point. And the patience of Rick Nash standing right in front of Michael Neuvert. He doesn't get it right away. Beautiful pass there from Buchnevich. The shot from the point of Holden, and watch Nash. Forehand, backhand, wait, and puts it into the wide open net.
It is not Lundqvist, though, and regathering his stick in the corner and watching his raffle, and they score!
It looked like Lawton in front was able to get the deflection. Good pressure by the Flyers. Initial shot comes through. Good job in front defensively on Raffle, who went to get his stick. But Philadelphia kept it going, and there's Lawton. Beautiful redirection.
Watching his teammates play, here is Giroux on back. Manning a shot, he scores! Manning, and it's 3-2. Flyers have the lead.
Boy, right from the face-off. And this was a face-off when Claude Giroux is lined up in the middle of the ice, and he cuts right through. You'll see him, there he is. Goes off a skate. Now here come the Flyers. It's not just three, but they'll get Manning as the fourth one. Rangers only have 3 players back, and Manning ends up with the finish.
Carried back up now by Holland. He's got a man on the wing, Zuccarello. Score!
Boy, what a beautiful pass from Peter Holland over to Matt Zuccarello after a high-quality chance for Michael Raffle, and the high slot missed the net. Next thing you know, the Rangers are off to the races. There's the chance around the boards. Here comes Holland, 2-on-1. Watch Zuccarello. Puts himself in a spot where he can receive the pass, cradle it, and elevate it.
And the little fake by Holland first got the defenseman to go down. He got him to commit.
Manning marches ahead, laid it back on, dropped off by Lehtera, thrown by Simmons, and a redirection rebound. They score! The Flyers on the rebound have been able to stoke it home underneath the crossbar. 4-3 on the goal by Nolan Patrick.
Boy, what a beautiful play from Nolan Patrick to Wayne Simmons. The quick little play through the middle of the ice. There's Manning, give and go. Move the puck, move yourself. Patrick to Simmons, shot, redirect. Beautiful stop there from Lundqvist, and then top shelf.
That one skipped on through. D'Angelo across. Drive by Miller, and that's knocked down. Rebound scramble. Rebound score! Tie game. It is Peter Holland.
How often have we seen this afternoon? Offensive players free in between the defending defenseman and the netminder. Look at this. The Rangers might have 3 guys right in front of Alex Lyon. He makes 2 incredible stops. Shot, save, and then Holland somehow gets that stick and beats Lyon.
You just can't ask your goaltender to do more than this.
Oh, what a stop.
I mean, that's
there.
a spectacular stop. And then
To the outside, it is taken now by Konechny. Score! Oh my, what a shot by Travis Konechny, and it's 5-4.
Yeah, this is one of those that Henrik Lundqvist has to stop. Nobody in front of him, able to see it. Konechny, remember we talked about a little bit earlier, Joe, when Konechny got to the middle of the ice and he didn't shoot the puck, he passed, he deferred. This one he doesn't defer.
And this is just great passing, isn't it? You look at the movement by the Flyers and how they're able to get there, and you're right, Eddie. I mean,
Fed one that is off Holden, might be an odd man rush. The Flyers hurry 2-on-1. Konechny moving across to Giroux. Score! And for Claude Giroux, that is 200.
well, that's the matchup, Doc, that you were talking about, the Zibanejad line, but there's going to be a turnover right here. That long lateral pass across the blue line didn't connect. That allowed the Flyers to come back 2-on-1.
And that was Haig that did that off a stray stick blade. It is pushed back across by Weiss, feathered back to him, and Lundqvist came diving across to stop Weiss. Oh, and then one feathers through, and it is Laterra who will get credit for this one, and it won't be taken away. This time it is 7-4.
Boy, another deflection. I believe it goes off of Peter Holland, probably about 8 or 10 feet in front of Henrik Lundqvist. It changes direction. Transition, 2-on-1. Filppula with a pass. Opportunity, watch this. A shot right off the stick blade.